So why is it so important to thank yourself for the quote unquote mundane shit that you're doing on a daily basis? Well, here's why. Because there's a lot more to it than beyond just the actions that you're taking. Let's hypothetically say that we're talking about you keep your office or your desk clean proactively, you keep it well maintained, and everything's in order and organized, right? Well, I know on the surface that may seem like you're just cleaning your desk and keeping it organized. But when you extrapolate that into beliefs and values, here's what's actually happening. So, as you're keeping your desk organized and clean, what you're doing is you are serving a part of you that has deemed it important, your belief, to keep things orderly, organized, and clean. And in addition to that, what's happening even further is that you're feeding a value. And the value that you're feeding is the value of being at peace, the value of being structured, and the value of being efficient. So that probably means a lot to you. The thing is, right now, is when you're doing these mundane acts on a daily basis, you're not tying them to your values. All you're doing is seeing it as another thing you're doing, and another thing you're doing, and another thing you're doing. And that stacks up on you because you're not getting any sense of accomplishment from it. So if every time you do something mundane, you take some time throughout the day to just sit back and think about, how did this tie into my beliefs? Why did I do it? And how does it tie to my values? What's going to happen is you're going to find a lot more appreciation for yourself and the simplistic things that you're doing on a daily basis. Now, the question of the hour. But Rick, if I'm thanking myself for all the mundane stuff that I'm doing, shit, I'm going to be thanking myself all day.